Hello everyone, I am very happy to meet you all in another dot mandala bookmark making video. Here is a small bookmark base. I have already made a hole here and the tassel is also ready. These are the colors that I am going to use: gold, dark brown, light brown and flush tint. Let me start dotting now. I drew 3 lines here. I am not sure if it is visible in the video. So what I am going to do is to keep 3 golden dots. Above every golden dot here, I am going to keep a dot in flush tint. Now a dot in light brown. Now a dot in dark brown. Now again a golden dot. Now using flush tint, I am going to work the dot here. Now I will work the dot using light brown. Now I will work the dot using dark brown. Now I will work the dot using gold. Now using these dots also, I am going to make the same pattern like I did here. Now I will work the dot using light brown. Now I will work the dot using dark brown. Now I will work the dot using gold. Let me tie the tassel now. I'm sure all of you loved this bookmark and thank you for watching this video.